Customers at an ice cream shop took a survey. The results showed that 144 customers rated the shop as being very satisfactory. This number represented 45% of the total number of customers who took the survey. Okay, so customers at an ice cream shop took a survey. The results showed that 144 customers rated the shop as being very satisfactory. This number represents 45% of the total. Okay, so we know the total number is here, which means our 144 customers would only be part of the total. We don't know our total number. Okay. So I need to set up my proportion box. I'm going to have my part, my total, my percent, and my customers. Again, if you're not used to labeling at the top, that's okay. So our percent, we have 45%. We know a percent is always over 100. Okay. We said that 144 customers was our part. That is part of the total customers. So we're going to put it in our part box. We'll find the corners diagonally across from each other that can be multiplied. So we have 144 times 100. Okay. So we're left with 14,400. Okay, if you're not used to seeing multiplication like that, I'll do it the other way also, just in case your teacher doesn't do that. 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Add your placeholder 0. 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Add 2 placeholders because you're moving to the hundreds place. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1. Add them together, and you get the same answer, okay? Now we need to divide by our extra number, which is 45. So I have 14,400 divided by 45. Okay. 45 goes into 1 0 times. 45 goes into 14 0 times. 45 goes into 144 sometimes, but we're not sure how many times. Okay, so if you don't know that, you can either start multiplying or do repeated addition. Okay, I'm going to try 45 times 3 and see where that gets me. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. That gets me to 135. Okay, I know I can't add 45 to that and not go over 144. Okay, so I'm going to put my 3. If you don't like the multiplication route, you could also do repeated addition. 45 plus 45 would be 90, plus 45 would be 135. Okay, so 3 times 45 is 135. Subtract. Okay, how many times is 40 going to 90? We just did that over here when we did repeated addition. It goes into 92 times. 2 times 45 is 90. Subtract, you have to bring down that last 0. 45 goes into 0 0 times. Okay. So we know that there was a total of 320 customers that took the survey. So your answer is D.